Do you want to know how you can withdraw your funds on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can withdraw your funds using 1xBet. So the first step is to open any browser and go to 1xBet. The second step is to log into your account, and the third final step is to hover around My Account, which is over here on the right hand side, and click on Withdraw Funds. After you click on Withdraw Funds, this page will load up, and then you can see some of the bank accounts, cryptocurrency, and some of the apps to which you can withdraw your funds. You can see that this withdraw funds page is available, and you can see some of the methods, bank cards, e-wallets, payment system, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency options from which you can withdraw your request. So go ahead and click on one of these. Let's suppose I got to withdraw some money on my online bank. I'll just go and click on online bank, write down my account number, choose my bank over here, and write down my first name and surname and write down the amount. You can see the minimum amount is 150 SSD and the currency you have chosen, and the maximum is 10,000. So you can choose between these and you can click confirm. This way you can withdraw money or funds from 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.